Hi guys, Joey here, your average minimalist, reporting from my new place that I will be at. Now, it took me a little while this week for me to upload a new video because moving to a new place and then figuring out the logistics of everything, it can be quite challenging, and I have my own personal challenges and my own personal life. So yeah, it was kind of a struggle to put out a video, but then also YouTube and you guys are one of my other responsibilities and joys in my life, so I must make a video. Now, for this particular video and the videos after, I think despite of my affinity for being open and being honest and things like that, due to many reasons, among which is privacy, and quite frankly, it's not just about me. So I'll be not too open as to where I'm living and things like this, and whether or not I will tour the whole house. But that being said, I can still bring you guys how I live as a minimalist in this cute space. And also I'd love to talk about different things that come in my life, because I've said before, although minimalism is the type of content that made my YouTube take off and things like that, that's not the only reason why I do YouTube. So there's that. And I think for the next couple of years, as far as my plans go, I mean, plans could change, but it's good to have like a general blueprint of where you want to go in your life. I think there will be a lot more challenges and a lot more responsibilities and a lot more upgrades, to be honest, and I think that's a good thing. And with every upgrade there comes sacrifice, whether or not it's you having to hold back some other things that you wanted to do, or having to hold back your temper for instance when you see injustice, or having to give your time when you don't really want to. So there will be a lot of ups and downs, especially because I want to take on a lot more coming for the next couple of years, and that is fine. And when I say upgrade, this is something that I've been thinking recently. You know how they say like a true friend is someone who sticks by you when you're down, but I think I want to flip the statement that anyone who truly cares about you, whether or not they're your friend, they're your family, they're your partner, they're your acquaintances, they're your mentor, teachers, you know, people who look up to you, I think someone who genuinely cares about you is not only okay with you when you're down, but they should also be with your ups. So I don't want to see any resentment or purposefully ignoring, not celebrating. I mean, I guess celebrating is expecting too much from humans, I guess. But I think that someone who genuinely cares about you will stick by your side even when you're doing better than that they're comfortable with, or that, you know, or that you're down on the abyss and then you're just like in this terrible hole. I think in life there's so many like ups and downs anyway, and I've had my fair share of ups and downs, and because my plan is to keep going up, or trying to do that, I expect people in my life to follow me and then not try to resent me and sabotage me and things like that, as I'm trying to build a life that I'll be proud of, and that hopefully maybe in the future other people that are under my care can, you know, feel proud of. So that is my goal for the next few years. And that's quite a deep statement for just the bedroom tour, because that's what we'll be doing today. I hope you guys enjoy. A little disclaimer, I still have some of my stuff. I brought 3 suitcases of my own stuff here, but there's some furnitures here and things like that, and then I haven't really moved everything in except for my clothes. So all my clothes, including this pretty new clothing, I want to talk about like wearing nicer clothes in next couple of videos if I make them on about clothes. But yeah, so I have organized all my clothes in the drawer where my camera is standing on right now. Some of my clothes are hanging up in there, and then there's like shorts or something, sleeping shorts, that's in the washer, which I don't think we need to show that. But yeah, I will give you guys my bedroom tour and all the clothes that are in the cabinet and then hanging over there, and then maybe the balcony. And yeah, that will be the tour for today. And then as I keep organizing, which I think will take me at least a few days, maybe a couple weeks for me to completely organize the space anyway, then you guys can see how things are progressing along from there. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's my bedroom, and there's where I dry my laundry, and a nice view. And we'll start over here in this drawer where I've organized all my clothes. So these are my summer clothes. There's my mini skirt, and then my 4 shirts. Obviously I'm wearing a shirt as well. And then the bikini bottom that I bought, another bikini bottom, and some socks for working out and things like that. I've got my Gucci bag here, and I believe this cabinet is actually empty. So there's that. And over here should be, well, actually, I realized that I didn't really put my winter clothes in here, so that's what you will see next time I do a closet tour. And over here is my laundry that's drying up. There's my bikini top, I believe, because I use that as kind of a sports bra for one of the workouts, and my workout shirt, which I will change into shortly. And over here in this drawer, there's nothing, but I like how it matches the bed. So I think I'm going to have some of my like things like eye mask for the night and things like that. And then there's a blanket. This is a new blanket that was a gift for me, and I think it looks very nice and simple. It's white, so we'll see how we can keep it clean. Hi guys, so that was my simple bedroom tour. That's literally it for the tour. I just want to give you guys updates as far as what I'm going through and what I'm thinking and what the plans are for this channel. I have to get back to whatever it is that I'm doing and then organizing this place. So I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Oh, and thank you so much for 600 plus subscribers. I think I actually know who my 600th person is. I believe it's a lady. But I think you know who you are. If you do, feel free to leave a comment. I think for your privacy, I'm not going to say who exactly it is, but I'm pretty sure I know who it is. So anyway, in any case, thank you guys so much. You guys make this channel, and as always, I'll be bringing mostly minimalism content every week or so. So I can't wait to see you guys again. Thank you. Bye!